Okay, so I just read about this connection pooling thing for asynchronous SQLite applications. It's called aiosqlitepool, and it sounds super interesting.
Oh, totally. I've heard about it. It's not a database driver, right? It just enhances performance by managing reusable connections. That's wild.
Exactly. So it basically eliminates the overhead of constant connection setup and teardown. Just think about how much time that can save.
Right. And that makes me think about how annoying it is when you have to wait for a connection to establish. This could be a game changer.
For sure. Plus, it keeps what's called a hot cache in memory, so queries that are run frequently can access data way faster.
Wait, seriously? So if the data is already waiting there in memory, it can just zip through those queries?
Yeah, it's like instead of going through the whole process every time, it just pulls from memory. I can imagine that speeds things up a ton.
Absolutely. And it maximizes concurrent throughput, which means handling more queries under heavy loads, right?
Exactly. So if an app is getting dozens of requests at once, this connection pool just works to manage all of that efficiently.
Oh, wow. Now I'm trying to picture it. It sounds like a well-oiled machine just smoothly taking care of database needs.
That's a perfect metaphor. But here's the kicker. It's not necessary for every application using SQLite.
Wait, what? So when would you need a connection pool? Is it only for heavy traffic?
Totally. If your service is handling a lot of requests per second, like a web app with multiple users, then you benefit a lot from it.
But if it's a low-traffic app that just runs a few queries, then it's overkill, right?
Exactly. Now imagine this in a real-world scenario. Applications dealing with lots of traffic can really see a performance boost.
That reminds me, have you seen the benchmarks? Performance numbers shot up like crazy with this pool.
Oh yes, it reported a 72% increase in queries per second and a drastic decrease in latency.
Wait, wow. So that means your 99th percentile response times are halved? That's a huge difference.
And you can still have a smooth experience even under heavy load. That's mind-blowing.
Right? It's like solving a traffic jam instantly. I'm genuinely impressed by how well it manages everything.
Exactly. And it does this without compromising the transaction logic. You still handle that yourself.
Oh, so you have the flexibility to manage transactions how you want. That's cool.
Exactly. The pool smartly handles connections but leaves the rest to the developer, which strikes a great balance.
And speaking of developers, integrating it with frameworks like FastAPI seems pretty straightforward.
Yes, you can manage the lifecycle of the pool right in your app. It's all very clean and efficient.
You know what caught my attention? The recommended parameters for different workloads. That's super helpful.
Exactly. Like for read-heavy tasks, they even suggest increasing the pool size. Customization is key.
Right. It's like having a tailored suit for your database needs. It just fits perfectly.
And the connection factory options. You can fine-tune how your app interacts with the database.
It's making me rethink how I approach database management in my apps. There's so much to gain.
Totally. It's all about optimizing performance and reducing overhead without overcomplicating things.
And that's the beauty of aiosqlitepool. It's like a performance boost without the headaches of managing everything.
So if developers can leverage all these features smartly, they could see a massive improvement.
Yes, and by reducing I/O load, they could also create more sustainable applications or services.
That gives me chills. The implications for performance and sustainability are huge. This is really exciting.
Right. So what's fascinating about this whole discussion is how a simple pool changes the game.
Wait, I think the bigger question is, how many developers even know about connection pooling options?
Exactly. I had no idea before this. It's going to change how I think about app performance.
Same here. This kind of knowledge could really help developers optimize their applications from the ground up.
So, what should we leave listeners with? Maybe something to ponder about their database practices.
Absolutely. Maybe they should consider the benefits of connection pools and if their usage fits the criteria.
That's perfect. If they haven't looked into this yet, they might just be missing out on performance gains.